Page 52, Etude. This is a wrist staccato etude. Get to use our wrist staccato that we've been working on. And this is short staccato. Let's get the notes first. I'm going to kind of do both hands at the same time because it's fairly simple. In the right hand you have a 3 and 5 here because you're in this position. That's where they want you. The left hand you're down here, so we're here for this. That's fine. So it's here in the right hand and you're playing these. Let's get the notes and the fingering first. Here, here. Now that fourth measure, I suggest when you first start learning these, you play them all legato. Play everything legato and connect it with the fingers. It's good feel. And the left hand has to come up here, here, and then a 4, and then the next line it's an A flat, and then back down. And you repeat that, but let's go ahead. The last 2 measures, the second line you're here, and then the left hand goes over to the C up above. You have to cut the chord a little short. Here. There's another fingering we can use. We'll stick to this fingering. They want that for some reason, so okay, that's fine. Those are the notes. And then we get in the staccatos. Wrist staccato here. You're connecting this, but not the left hand. Dynamics, start soft, that's the left hand here. Right hand's very soft, it's the 8th notes we're after. And you crescendo up, didn't say how much, go up to maybe, what, a medium loud? So the right hand, the 8th notes are medium loud, the left hand's soft. And you get soft again, back down to soft. At the end, you're still sort of a medium loud here. And that's an accent on that one. So play that out a little bit harder. Louder. Not harder, louder. Allegro, your allegro, not my allegro. It's fast. How fast is it? I don't know. Not that fast because you're using wrist staccato. Fast at the end. You're fast. Accuracy and control is way more important than speed, so it's fast. Whatever fast is. Let's play it together. I'll give us 4 counts. It's in 2/4 time. I'll give us 4 counts. Slowly. And we will do the repeat. 1 and 2 and ready and go and 1. Second ending, 2 and off.